watching it end again and again. I feel it in ways you follow me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Butterfly Kitchen, the taste of mom's food. Today we will learn an easy, tasty and quick chicken recipe called chicken dry masala. It is a simple recipe. You can have it with roti, naan, paratha or pulavs. For this recipe, take a pan and add oil around 1 to 2 tablespoons. I used very little oil. It's up to you to use the quantity of oil. Then I added cumin seeds and spices. I took around 4 to 5 cloves, 4 small cinnamon sticks, 1 long pepper, 1 star anise and 2 cardamom. Then I added 1 small chopped onions, mixed it well and let it fry until it turns golden brown. Now add turmeric powder around half a teaspoon, red chili powder around half a tablespoon and spice level is up to you. Then add coriander powder around 1 tablespoon and cumin powder around half a tablespoon. Mix everything well in low flame without burning. Now add fresh chicken around half a kilo and mix it well. Then add crushed ginger garlic paste to it around 1 tablespoon. Give it a quick mix and close the lid. Cook it for 1 to 2 more minutes and mix in between until the raw flavor of chicken is gone. Now add 1 big tomato chopped and few curry leaves. Mix it well. Then add salt around 1 tablespoon. Mix it well and again close the lid. Let it cook in medium flame until the chicken is perfectly cooked. Note that I didn't use any water. If your chicken is too dry or it's burning, then add little water, otherwise no. Then add mint and coriander leaves. Mix it well. And finally add lemon juice around 1 tablespoon. Mix everything well and cook it for 1 more minute in medium flame. And a very tasty, delicious chicken recipe is ready to serve. Hope you guys liked our video. For many more interesting videos and updates, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to activate notifications. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.